Hello and welcome to Azurewala YouTube channel. We are in part 92 of Microsoft Certified Associate series. So far we have completed 159 questions in previous videos. Today we are going to look into question number 160. Question 160. You have an Azure virtual machine named VM1 that runs Windows Server 2016. You need to create an alert in Azure when more than 2 error events are logged to the system event log on VM1 within an hour. 4 versions of this question are available over the internet. The first version is with this solution, second version is with this solution, third version is with this solution, and fourth version is with this solution. At the end it is asked that the solution given is meeting the goal or not. To understand it better, let's go to learn.microsoft.com. We are in learn.microsoft.com site, and at the Azure Monitor documentation page we'll scroll down and we'll go to common scenarios. We would like to monitor virtual machine, so we'll click there. We are on monitor virtual machine with Azure Monitor page. Let's scroll down. We can have Azure virtual machine to monitor. We can have Azure virtual machine scale sets to monitor. We can have hybrid machines as well to monitor. And we can monitor on host virtual machine in Azure. We can monitor guest operating system, we can monitor workloads, and we can monitor applications. Further we'll scroll down, and these are the configuration steps that will deploy an Azure Monitor agent on the machine, and then we'll configure the data collection, and then we can analyze the collected data, and we can create the alert rules. We'll scroll down. Next step, we'll deploy an Azure Monitor agent on virtual machine. We are on monitor virtual machine with Azure Monitor deploy agent. So the prerequisite to deploy an agent is that we'll create a log analytics workspace. We'll scroll down. Let's understand this diagram. So we do have virtual machine in Azure, and we would configure the log analytic workspace, and the logs will be sent to log analytics workspace through the agent from the virtual machine. The log analytics part will be performed. Whatever rule we configure, it will be running on the log analytics, and then it will generate an alert. In simple terms, we will first of all we'll create log analytic workspace, and then we'll configure the virtual machine agent and download it to virtual machine, and that agent will send the logs to Azure Monitor logs. The log analytic workspace will read from Azure Monitor logs. Based on log analytic workspace rules or conditions, it will trigger the Azure alert. Let's go back to question. Now let's go to the solution. Create an Azure storage account. There is no need of creating an storage account to gather the event logs. Therefore, this solution is not correct. Second solution, create an event subscription. There is no such requirement to create an event subscription on VM1. Solution 4, you create an Azure Log Analytics workspace. Yes, definitely we need the Azure Log Analytics workspace, and configure the data settings. There is no need of data setting configuration here. You add the Microsoft Monitoring Agent VM extension. There is no such extension available. for the virtual machine, rather we do have agents here, therefore this is also incorrect. Now we are left with option 3. Option 3, you create an Azure Log Analytics workspace. That is the first step we have to do, and configure agent configuration. So this would be the second step, that will configure the agent, and then we will install that monitoring agent to virtual machine 1 where we would like to monitor it. And the last act is that we will create an alert in Azure Monitor and specify the log analytics workspace which we have created earlier is the source. So solution 3 is the correct answer. I hope this video was informative for you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.